Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Ford Transit Luton van.
Like all our vehicles, this truck has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. We applied a triple layer of Gearbox nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This exemplar comes in trend trim level, but also has some extras, like the electrically adjustable heated side mirrors. It's been fitted with the aerodynamic profile box and a tail lift, which is electrically operated both from inside and out, and you can find the remote over here. And also has a shutter door at the back. Over the rear box you can see you have wood ply lining over the bulkhead and the spare wheel stored on the alcove right above it. Like LED lighting fixtures over the roof, and then also railings over the left and right hand side to secure your cargo. On the left corner you can find the controls for the tail lift. Size-wise, it's 211 centimeters of width, 211 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, being the metal ribs, and 404 centimeters of fully usable floor space. The cabin is configured in a 3-seat configuration with an independent and adjustable driver's seat, finished in fabric, and a 2-seat bench for the passengers, middle seat of which houses a tray table with document holder and 2 cup holders. The driver's seat is also fitted with an adjustable armrest for your added comfort. Over the dashboard, which is the classic Ford design, you have multiple storage solutions spanning all across the main dashboard, a 12-volt and a USB Type-A right in front of the driver. The multifunction steering wheel is adjustable in depth and height and houses the controls for the adaptive cruise control with speed limit as well, infotainment and trip computer commands. From the trip computer itself, you can also access the controls for the driving assist, such as the lane keeping assist, which is one of the added optionals on this vehicle, the driver alert warning, and the forward collision assist as well. The lane keeping assist can also be quickly disabled through the control over the left hand side stalk, and over to the right you have the classic stalk for the wipers. The vehicle is also equipped with automatic headlights, and you have the dial to adjust both the headlights themselves and the height of the beam. Plus you can also dim the cabin lighting and adjust the power mirrors through this control over here. You can find the controls for the power windows over the armrest, while the infotainment unit is a Ford Sync with DAB radio and Bluetooth capability, plus USB. Underneath you can find the controls for the AC and the toggle for the heated mirrors and the quick clear heated windshield. And this vehicle is fitted with an 8-gear automatic transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Ford Transit Luton. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.